everyone, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. We have got another edition of our kitchen tested series for you, which is all about the cookware, the bakeware, the gadgets, and the food that we use to create recipes for our family and to share with all of you. That's a lot of recipe making and food tasting, and we've definitely got top picks and best values. And today we're featuring some great products and great values from Costco. I'm so excited to share these with you, and hang around for the clearance price items that we're featuring. First up, the Polder Instant Read Thermometer. This is an extra $4 off through Sunday the 30th, so hurry in this weekend to pick it up before they're gone. The 10-inch probe folds and locks into the side, like this. And to measure the temp on your steak or your chicken, just insert the probe into the thickest part of the meat. In about 6 seconds, the temperature appears on the screen here. One important thing to know is that this unit only measures up to 212 degrees. But for meats or poultry, this is a great buy. And another great grilling tool, these stainless grill trays. They're perfect for grilling smaller, delicate food like grilled veggies, tomatoes, or shrimp. The baskets are perforated to let smoke and heat pass through, and they clean up super easy. The metal does change color after the first use, but I think that's okay. Just oil the surface first, since these aren't non-stick. And I use them for making pork belly burnt ends, grilling veggies. They're a great size, and I can easily fit 2 on my Weber Smoky Mountain and on the grill. And at $12.99 for 2, this is a great price, and it's on sale through Sunday 5:30. If you have room in your cart, the charcoal is also on sale, and it's just about half of what you'll pay at Walmart or Home Depot. And here's a couple more deals that you might be interested in for summer grilling. A 5-piece stainless steel set from Cuisinart. And this set of prep and serve trays for handling raw and cooked meat. These are really popular at Amazon and Crate & Barrel, and you can pick them up for about $10 less here at Costco. Next up, the Simplehuman 9-ounce touch-free liquid soap dispenser. We picked up one of the 2-packs a few months ago, and I have to say that this is one of my favorite new products, especially for the kitchen. And one of the features I love is being able to get a little bit or a lot of soap based on where you hold your hand under the nozzle. These are rechargeable, so that means no batteries, and they're really easy to refill with the funnel opening. Just hit the button to turn off the sensor, take off the top, and fill. And you can also fill these with hand sanitizer. Costco has a 2-pack for only $79.99, which is really incredible when the average price for just one is almost $60 at Bed Bath & Beyond and Amazon. And here's the clearance deals we found this week. Nordic Ware pizza pans are $14.97, and this Nordic Ware classic Bundt pan is an amazing deal. This is the 12-cup version, and it's light gold on the outside with a non-stick coating on the inside. We tested this Bundt pan out with our lemon bundt cake recipe. It's perfect for celebrations and definitely one of our favorites. It's light and delicious with a really lemony flavor, and I'll link that in the recipe down below. These are $42 on the Nordic Ware website, and a similar model in silver is available at Target for $25. So at $14.97, this is a really great price. Definitely pick up one of these for yourself, and maybe give these as a gift. And you can see how the cake bakes evenly and it slides right out of the pan. A couple more quick deals for you. The Snapware storage set is $5 off. $69.99 is an incredible price for 2 enameled cast iron Dutch ovens. And I might just have to go back and get a set of these cast iron skillets. Alright guys, that's all that we have today. I hope you found this information helpful. I will leave links in the description box below if you want to do some more research. The sale items are on sale until Sunday, so if something caught your eye, hurry in before they go off sale. And the clearance products vary by store, and once they're gone, they're gone. If you're interested in the lemon cake recipe, I will put that down below as well. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.